Hello, welcome back to AyaansMath. Today we are going to see one logical question. So the question is x comma y comma z belongs to positive integers and x is less than y less than z. X plus xy plus x into y into z equal to 37. Then you have to find the greatest possible value of x plus y plus z. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Now, first of all, what is given? X plus xy plus xyz equal to 37. So here you have to find the values of x, y, z and you have to get the greatest possible values. Now, if you observe here, 37 is a prime number. So here you can take x common, 1 plus y plus yz is equal to 1 into 37. Now here x is less than y is less than z. From this you can write x is equal to 1 and 1 plus y plus yz is equal to 37. So x value is 1. Now here y plus yz equal to 36. So here y into 1 plus z equal to 36. You can write it as 1 into 36. 1 into 36. So here you cannot take this value. Why? Because x value is already 1. And second one 2 into 80 now. So here we are taking y is equal to 2. 1 plus z is equal to 18. Already the condition is given x is less than y, y less than z. So here we are doing y plus z maximum value. Y plus z maximum value are getting here only. So here z is equal to 17. So greatest possible value is equal to x plus y plus z, that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 17, that is equal to 20. I hope this information is valuable for you. If you think so, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching AyaansMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends.